severe thunderstorm watch number 275 remains in effect until 12 a.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska until 8:45 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beatrice, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Beatrice around 7:50 p.m. Pickrell around 7:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Cortland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Gage, Nebraska,